How to disable private profile on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable private profile on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and and then click here, this one here. You will find it private profile and you will find it like that. And if you want to disable it, just click on it, and as you see, private profile have been disabled. And then just go back, it will be saved and that's how to disable private profile on Deezer mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.